Hello everyone. My name is Rajalakshmi and I will be the host for this Kubernetes 1.35 release team meeting today. Let me first share my screen. Still juggling. Give me a moment. I'm trying to share the browser. Not sure. It's not getting listed here. Are you able to see my browser now?
It says started screen. Yeah, now I can see it.
Okay. Thank you. So today is October 22nd and we are in the week 6 of the release cycle. Please be aware that this is Kubernetes community meeting, which falls under the Kubernetes code of conduct, which can be summarized to be excellent to each other. Thank you all. This meeting is recorded and will be publicly posted to YouTube. So please be mindful of what you say is being recorded. Okay, let's move on to open discussion. I don't see anything added in open discussion. Moving on to sub-team updates. First is enhancements updates.
Hey
Right.
folks, Ryan. Yeah, so we had enhancements freeze and the freeze party last Friday. So we have total of 78 tracked caps, including 3 exceptions which were approved. And our next milestone is code freeze, which is around 3 weeks away, on 6th of November. So yeah, that's all from us.
Thank you. Thanks, Ryan. Do we have any questions or comments for enhancements? If not, let's move on to release signal. Archie, updates from you.
Okay, so here's Archie. Our current status is green, and next following cut, 1.35.0 alpha 2 now stated is go. There is one failing test, but is confirming is non-blocking, and one fixed flagging test. And I mentioned that it's fixed by 134.755. And I mentioned about the bug triage board, we have already sent the first reminder for each issue or PR on the bug triage board. So I think that's all.
Okay, thank you. Thanks for the updates. Do we have any questions for release signal? Yeah, if not, let's move on to docs. Urvashi?
Yeah. So our current status is yellow. So weekly branching PR is merged, and we are waiting for alpha to release cut, and after that we will be creating the release node PR. And we have also sent the second round of reminders to all caps via GitHub and Slack. And our next step is since the placeholder doc PR deadline is 23rd, which is tomorrow, I will be dropping off a message to all SIG leads for the placeholder PRs. Yeah, that's the final track. And we have 40 caps with no placeholder PRs yet. Yeah,
Okay.
out of 77. Yeah.
Thanks for the updates. Do we have any questions for docs? If not, let's move on to comms. Do we have anyone from comms to give updates here? I think I'll read it out. Yeah, they have completed the first feature blog reach out overall for 78 KIPs, out of which they have two opt-in and two have opted out for feature blog reach out. And they have also started to check the KIPs to understand if a mid-cycle blog is needed and eventually to add content to that mid-cycle blog. And the second feature blog outreach is scheduled for next week. The release highlights discussion will be opened next week too. Yeah, that's the updates from comms. Do we have any questions for comms? If not, yeah, moving on to, I think this sheet is not updated. Let me refresh. I saw some branch management updates earlier. Yeah. Okay. So I think even the branch management is currently green. They are heading towards Alpha 2 cut today. So closely about 6 hours from now, they will be cutting the Alpha 2 for 1.35. So do we have any questions for release branch management? I don't see any updates from sub-project lead cat. Moving on to release lead updates, Drew has mentioned great work, everyone. And we had 3 exception requests after the enhancements freeze, and all were approved. 76 enhancements are tracked for the cycle, and 1.35 Alpha 2 is kicking off today at 1 p.m. UTC. And also a friendly reminder from Drew that the steering committee election closes this Friday, 24th October. We have the links available here for the voting platform and also the contestant election details. Please go ahead and do vote for the steering committee election. Yeah. We have come to the end of sub-team updates. We don't have anything mentioned for SIG scalability. Is anyone from SIG scalability to give updates here? Yeah. If not, we have come to the end of the meeting. Is there anything common that you would like to discuss or state here in this call? If you don't have anything to be mentioned on the recording, I will stop the recording now. Thanks everyone for joining the call. Okay. Find the record stop button. Yeah.